Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome to my YouTube channel Hotel Years Guide. So guys, if you are new to my channel, please go and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the future notifications. So guys, today I am going to discuss about Canadian PR. PR means permanent residency. So many people, they have a dream that they want to go abroad, but they don't have any proper guidance and proper knowledge, so they cannot fulfill. So guys, if you want to go Canada, you have two ways. Number one is student visa, number two is PR process. So today I am going to discuss about complete information about the PR process, how much money you need to invest to get the visa. So let's get started. So step number one is ECA. ECA means Educational Credential Assessment. So guys, it means you need to send your documents to Canada through WES. WES means World Educational Services. It's a trusted organization in Canada guys. Most of the people, they go with the WES to verify their documents. So how to send your documents to Canada through WES? What you need to do, you need to go your university to inform them that you are starting this process. So the university will send directly to documents to Canada. Main thing guys, what you need to do, while sending the documents, the person, he cannot send the documents directly to WES. So if they feel any fraudulent appearance in this time, so they completely stop your process. So now we will check how much money you need to invest to complete this process. For WES, to sending the documents for one person, it will be $230, and there is some courier charges also. Courier charges will be like $30. So the total investment will be $260. If you converted this money in Indian rupees, around like 15,000 Indian rupees. Step number two is guys, language proficiency test. Language proficiency test means while applying Canadian visa or student visa or PR, you need to give a IELTS examination. So how to give this examination? In India, we have British Council and IDP. They are doing this examination process. To applying for this examination, you need to go their website and you can book an appointment for your exam. So let's go and check it out how much it will be cost. In India, now currently they are charging like 14,000 Indian rupees for one person. Once you finish your test, so they will send you a scorecard to your email ID or otherwise they will courier to your home address. Step number three, to creating a profile in Express Entry Pool. So guys, to creating a profile in Express Entry Pool, it's completely free. There are no charges. So what you need to do, just go and log into the IRCC website and you can create your profile. Step number four. Step number four is documentation. So documentation guys, number one is PCC. PCC means Police Clearance Certificate. So what you need to do, near your home place, you need to go to your police station. If you do not have any criminal background, so it will be very easy. If you go to the charges guys, it will be around like 1,000 Indian rupees. Another one is medical examination certificate. For this one guys, you can go any metropolitan cities. There is so many popular hospitals. You can get your certificate very easily. For this one, you need to spend like 8 to 9,000 Indian rupees to get your medical examination certificate. Step number five. Step number five is visa submission. So guys, for visa application, if you go and check in Canadian website, IRCC website, so for one person they are charging 1,040 Canadian dollars. So guys, if you converted in Indian rupees, like around 58,000 Indian rupees to submit your visa application. Step number six is visa stamping. So guys, once you finish all this process, then you will get a confirmation. So after that, you will go to the Canadian embassy to get stamped visa on your passport. So for this, they have some small expenses like 20 Canadian dollars. And one more thing, if you want to move with your family, with your wife and your kids, the charges will be double. Step number seven is proof of funds. Proof of funds means guys, you need to show some bank balance in your account. So why you need to show some bank balance? Once you landed in Canada, you will have some expenses, right? So it will take some time to you get settled down. So until that time, you need some money. So that's the reason you need to show the Canadian government that you have bank balance. So how much money you need to show in your bank account? For one person, it comes like 12,960 Canadian dollars. Means guys, if you converted this one in Indian rupees, it's around like 7 to 8 lakh Indian rupees. So guys, I gave clear information about Canadian permanent residency visa. Now we will go and check it out. The total amount, how much it will cost you. You are investing like the total amount will be 2100 Canadian dollars. So if you converted this one in Indian rupees, around like 1,50,000 Indian rupees. Instead of that, you are showing 7 to 8 lakh Indian rupees for one applicant. So guys, this is the total process and the expenses for the Canadian permanent residency visa process. I hope this information will be very useful to you guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment box. That's it for today guys. Until then, see you. Bye. Have a nice day.